Okay, so without wasting any time, let's talk about something. If you have this Samsung Galaxy Buds and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in your hand, just believe that you have a power of multimedia production right in your hand, or you can say right in your pocket. Do you believe it? I know you are not going to believe, so I have to prove it. So stay with me. Hey friends, this is Farooq Kaiser with tips and technology for your better life. Okay, so this is Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and this is a Galaxy Buds Live. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so can you see which color is this? Can you recognize? So when I saw this online, it looked like a skin color. So I thought it would be good matching color for my skin, but I was wrong. Let me show you what I mean. By the way, while I'm opening this, I want to let you know that on Samsung or Best Buy or Amazon, this costs $169.99 before tax. Okay, so this is the left and right end, so you have to find there. And you see the on the website, what's deceiving, it doesn't look like a shiny, but in real, it's a shiny. And it looks like more like a purple color or pink color than the bronze color. So right goes to the right of your ear and this left goes to the left of your ear, like just like this. So easy. Okay, so $169 or almost $77. Why you would spend that much money? Why? It's a waste of money? No, let me tell you why. Okay, so I don't know if you can see in my ear, it's shiny, so I did not like. But I like this. Sound quality is amazing. But in a moment, I'm going to tell you, if you are a YouTuber, if you are a vlogger, or if you want to do a video production job on move, believe me, this is like a boom for you. This is a power for you. Dynamite of multimedia. Okay, so before I jump to this, I would like to show you another thing because I did not like this. So I have something here. Oh, let me take out this. I'm going to put this back, and I have another box here. And let me open this box and see what's here. Okay, abracadabra, kulja, sim sim. This is the receipt inside. And here is another Galaxy Bud, which is, if you can see, it's a black color. Okay, so there are three colors Galaxy Buds online. This is the one bronze color, or which looks like a purple to me. Then there's a black and of course white. Let me show you here the black color. So one thing, unless you are a woman, this is very suitable color. The bronze color is suitable for women. If you are female, please go for this, or white maybe. But for male, certainly this color is not suitable unless you love purple. Okay, here you go. So this is how it looks, black. Let me hold for you. So black versus bronze. Okay, and let's open. Okay, so you can see this is also shiny. Okay, this is also shiny, and let me put this here. So easy to install. And when you put, let me tell you one thing, maybe I'll make another video about that. This is the charging circuit over here. If you can see the charging circuit. So what I was doing first time when I inserted in my ear, I did this down, like this, and I was not having good sound, and I was very mad that why did I buy this? It costed like after tax in Colorado $177. It's a waste of money. Then I saw a YouTube video, and that guy had similar problem like me, that he will also put inserted these things in his ear in a wrong way. Then he was sharing his experience. Then I learned. So when you put like this, so comfortable and so easy. Awesome. Okay, so now let me tell you why you need this as a YouTuber or vlogger, or if you are a man or woman who would like to do the video production on move in a run and gun situation. So okay, so one thing about this, when this is in box, so always remember to store in this case. So in that way, this is when it's wrong, it's not going to fit in. So when it's you put in a right angle, in left and right side, it fits, and you can close this perfectly. My phone is ringing. Let me answer phone and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, I'm back again. Sorry, my phone was ringing. I'm at my work. So anyways, so when this is inside this case, you can charge. So it comes with this charging cable here inside the box. So this bronze has white cable and this black has black color. Okay, so you always, it's good to carry with you while you are out for the production, because you can charge in your car with the adapter. Or what you can do, the Samsung Note 20 Ultra has wireless power share capability. I can charge right over here, which is great. What do you think? Okay, so I think we have enough introduction. Now the real talk. Let's go out, and I want to show you what you can do with this. Before going out, we have to do some settings. Let me show you some settings, then we'll go out. There is a park nearby my house, so we'll go to that park and we'll do the shooting. I'm not gun shooting, the video shooting. We'll see what you can do with this Galaxy. Let's pair this Galaxy Buds, and when I open, when I open this Galaxy Buds case, it appeared on my phone. Okay, it says, do you want to connect? So if you see here, let's connect it. Okay, so here you can see that it has like several settings here. So one of the thing is, if you can see here, noise cancellation. So you can off or on. It's your personal preference. Then here you can choose like several, like normal. I like normal because its volume is very soft. And then here's the bass, soft. Dynamic is really loud and clear. Then you have clear here. Then it's a terrible. So I like this. Okay, so once you have set up this, so how to get the wirelessly audio, or how to get the audio wirelessly from your Galaxy Buds Live while you are doing the vlogging, or you are walking around and you are shooting with your phone. So it's so easy. So you have to insert this in your ear, if you can see here, and this goes in second ear, left and right. And now, so we are here in camera, and in camera you have to go to video. I hope you can see there. And while you are in video settings, go to press on more here. See what's here: single take, photo, video, and more. Under the video you have to press on more, and when you are on more, you have to press on pro video here. Pro video. Okay, now you can see the pro video. And when you are in pro video, so now you are getting this. You can see the audio bar here. Audio meter shows that it's what's the level of your audio. So this audio is coming from this built-in microphone, and we are getting this. If you see here, it says Omni, so it means we are getting the audio from all directions, omnidirections. Okay, so if you press that Omni, now you have option to select the front microphone or rear microphone. So if you are doing like using front camera, then press on this and you'll get your audio very clear if you don't have Galaxy Buds. Then I'll make another video about all the professional microphones. So right now we are here in this Bluetooth. Okay, so it says my Bluetooth microphone, so which is this Galaxy Buds. So now we are getting audio from this Galaxy Buds. See, wow, it's not that amazing. And now what's the amazing thing, you can like adjust the audio level how much you want. Like now it's a -5 dB, and you can go up to all the way -12 dB, or you can go up to all the way 12 dB. But remember, if you go higher, the audio will be distorted. So I like the right at 0 dB. That's very balanced, but it's your personal choice. If you are using certain kind of Bluetooth or wireless microphone, maybe you can adjust accordingly. But here you can see the audio meter. So this is like a great professional setting you can have in your phone. Another great thing you like here, what's the best thing about this, if you shoot video for your YouTube or whatever event you shoot here, and when you shoot with this, you don't need a PC. Or if you don't have a PC, don't worry, you can edit your video right here, because it has 12 GB RAM, which makes video editing very fast. Then you have great processor here, and you need some sort of good video editing app. So you can do the video editing right here. So my friends, this is the way to go. If you don't have enough money and if you want to do the quality video production or YouTubing, this is the way. Just you need this. And also next video I'm going to show you what else microphones you can use and how to use. Are you ready? Let's go. So I'm using my earbuds here. Okay, so let's set up here. So I'm here in mode. Then let's go to more here. In video, and let's go to more. Then go to the live with the pro video, and then pro video.
we have to, this is the, I'm pressing on Omni, then let's go to the Bluetooth. Then now I'm connected to Bluetooth, and let's see the how far it catches. So all the audio, so it's recording. See here, it's recording. So let me see the how far I can record with this. Okay, so ready? Okay, so this is like 10 feet. I'm talking with the normal voice. As you know, sometimes some people have very soft voice. Then I'm talking. Let's talk bit like a louder voice, and it's a louder voice, and it seems like I'm 30 feet away. 30, 35 feet away, and I don't know if it's still recording there. And let me say something. Before it was day was sunny, and now my life is funny because I don't have money. Where is my honey? I don't know. Oh, that sounded like funny. So, okay, so I don't know if you can hear me. Okay, let me go more further. So my car is parked over there. So like it's like almost 500 feet away. So let me see how far it catches. Okay, so let's see. Let me get some water from here. Let me see. Okay, it's really far. I don't know if you can still far, like it's like 300, 400, 500 feet away from my camera, and I'm getting my water.
I hope you guys enjoyed my video. In next video, let's talk about how we can use all sort of professional microphones on Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So as you can see here, I have connected this Rode mic with this Galaxy Note Ultra, which I used with this Panasonic GH5. And also you can see that I have Sennheiser mic, wireless mic. It costs like $700-800, and you can use this professional mic on your Note 20 Ultra. Not only that, if you own a Zoom recorder or any sort of this kind of professional quality recorder, you can use on your Note 20 Ultra. So please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and see you in next video. Take care and God bless you.